Belmopan. I'm heading up for the Raspberry Pi competition for tomorrow. Left from PG about 10:30. So stop at the gas station, get some food, get in some whatever we need for the other stop. Update you when we reach Belize City. Team is here in Belize City. Just touched down. Team is here in Belize City. Right? So checking into our hotel area now. Right? Looking at the Biltmore. Team TCC just touched down in a Biltmore. Right? Raspberry Pi competition tomorrow. This is where we at. A little bit of rainy, but we're good. Hold it though because I'll be vlogging. Getting inside the Biltmore, giving us some views. Alright, so this is the hotel room. We're checking in. So treating us real good. Like kings, you know. You what? Where they get the breakfast right there.
So guys, I'm getting breakfast before the Raspberry Pi competition.
Alright.
It's a buffet.
Some fruit salad.
The glass are right on the buffet. Where the juice is right beside the juices.
Hi guys, so it's the morning of the Raspberry Pi. It's Friday morning, 22nd, right? 22nd of November, 2019. So we're here again from Toledo Community College to partake in the Raspberry Pi competition. We just got up, got everything upstairs, getting ready to do the setup in a while. For right now, though, what we're doing is that we're just having breakfast. So a couple of the guys up already, waiting for the other people to do breakfast, and then from here we set up, so you'll get a chance to see inside the room and capture the rest of the event for the day. Right? See you guys inside. Guys, we're inside the opening ceremony.
But we think that
We're inside the opening ceremony. Right?
You're
Yeah.
not used to big time vloggers like
You know, I'm like Sassly. And Sassly.
SAUCXLE.
Alright.
King underscore Zach.
Alright, so you can hit these guys up on Instagram, on YouTube. You know, it's a part of the vlog. We're inside the opening ceremony right now. I'll update you guys when I move into the main display area.
Minister of State in the Ministry of Finance, Public Service, Energy and Public Utilities, Honorable Frank Mena. Special invited guest, Mistress Carla Mejia Hart. PUC Commissioner, Mr. Kimano Barrow.
I have to single out my ecumenical. I'm not being biased. I'm telling you I'm not being biased. I see TEP, I see Mr. Lambert, I see Mr. Picasso. I am so proud I'm talking to you guys that I get to have chills because we were.
Alright guys, so we're inside the room right now. Everybody came in. So what you'll see is that we're having a lot of projects done. We rotate you around the room. So each school is doing their different projects. And still getting ready for the exhibition. The hope is that we'll walk around and do some of the other projects. So I'll show you guys some of those in a few. Nice.
See if I buy my license.
Alright. Oh, alright. Put it up. Yeah. That makes sense. I dump it in the carriage in the back. Nice. Actually, now with the Raspberry Pi, right? Yeah. Smart jewel box. Huh? No, you know what it is? I'm Godfrey.
Morning, sir.
Morning, morning. explain to this Kings that he real what's going on.
Monitoring system. There is a sensor inside the garbage bin monitoring how much garbage it has. At a certain distance, the sound waves reach, and then it will detect if the garbage bin is full or not. And then at another distance, it's getting the data for the temperature, and now the light bulb is on. Now, as the heat moves,
They actually got chicken in it.
as the harder it gets, then the light bulb will automatically shut up, and then this motor gets it takes the time because of the temperature.
Alright guys, so there you have it. A lot of different projects out today. Some interesting one. You got to see a lot of these. We'll do a review of it. It just shows how innovative our students are and some of the many things we can do with the Raspberry Pi. So I've posted a couple of videos on how to use some of the different sensors with the Raspberry Pi. I will continue to post to try to make sure everybody learns how to use that device. Out. Great job by some of our students getting interviewed from the different media groups here in Belize, explaining their project. Hi guys, so what's going on in the background is that my crew, they're being judged right now, and so they're pulling out the A game, making sure they explain to the judges what's going on with the wave simulator. That's a project we choose to throw into the project. It's called a wave simulator coastal protector, right? Because it talks about protecting our coastline. So later on, I'll ask one of the guys to just give us an explanation on it. So we'll see what happens. Update you on the end of the competition. Alright guys, so this is the end of the day. We're getting ready to head home. As you can see, it's kind of gloomy, it's raining, right? But this is part of the journey, part of the excitement of traveling all the way from PG up for the Raspberry Pi. Ecumenical came in first again for the Raspberry Pi. They had a very nice project in terms, I think it was mosquito prevention, and the second prize was to BHS for their protector, right? And of course, all the projects that were there did okay, right? We didn't rank much, but in terms of our project, I'm still proud of what the students gave out, their explanation. I'm proud of all the students who came out from the different schools and showcase their project. It just shows that we can make things happen in Belize, right? And of course, innovation continues. Like always, guys, peace out. Go out there, geek yourself. That's why I got it. Alright, I see it now. Yeah, I see it. Hitting up Palma before we move on.